Yo, what's up? It's like 7:47 a.m. right now, and we are gonna explore the northern region of Pakistan and show you the true beauty of the area, as well as emphasize the importance of nature in our life. So, this is pretty much the plan, and now we are about to leave. You know, dress the shirt. I put on my shirt, hair combed, and yeah, now we're going. Say less na. Atra भी क्या plane थी?
अभी शायद जीव को प्ले
Jeep ko sa ilawa.
जीव को सही अलावा क्रिकेट विकेट
And to give you guys some context, we are going to a place named Gobor, and it is considered the most northern region of Pakistan because Afghanistan and Pakistan borders there, right? So now you guys are going to Gobor, and we're around 20 people, and there is only one car. Damn. And this is the vehicle which we are gonna travel on, and you can see here the driver guy, and yeah, so these are the typical vehicles in our area, right? They are very common. This is the steering. This guy is sitting right next to the driver, a broken kind of mirror, and yeah. So now we are about to leave, and yeah. So now we are leaving, okay? I've been currently reading a book called Ikigai, written by Hector Garcia and Francis Muriels. In the book, the author traveled to Ogimi, which is a village in northern Japan, which is often known as the village of longevity. As part of their research, they interviewed more than 100 local residents to find out their secrets about longevity. And what they found was absolutely fascinating. They found that almost every resident had a vegetable garden. Now you might be thinking, what the fuck? A vegetable garden? How could that possibly be the secret to living longer? And you'd be right. The garden itself wasn't the secret, but there was something almost all of these people had in common. They had an Ikigai, a reason to wake up every morning, and a vegetable garden was one of them. Now, an Ikigai is a Japanese version of your life's purpose in simple words. And according to the author, it plays a crucial role in longevity. And if you want to find your Ikigai, because it's so important, you have to take a pen and paper and you have to draw a Venn diagram with 4 overlapping circles. In the first circle, write what do you love? It could be anything. In the second circle, you have to write what you are good at. And in the third circle, you have to write what does the world needs from you. And in the fourth circle, you have to write what are the professions or the things which you can be paid for. Now look at the intersection of those 4 overlapping circles, and that's your Ikigai. And apart from having an Ikigai, there's one more thing which in my and the author's opinion is a key to longevity, better mental health and happiness, which is nature. So there is this concept called as Shinrin Yoku. It's a Japanese practice translated as forest bathing. It means intentionally spending time in a forest or other natural environment. A 2009 research has found that spending time in forest can be associated with changes such as lower stress, reduced blood pressure, and improved mood. I'm genuinely telling you, this is my experience. I have personally experienced better mood, lower stress, and relaxation when I'm in nature. But here are some of the biggest lessons I took from Ikigai. So, these people weren't obsessed with living longer, they were obsessed with living well. They had people they cared about, they had things to do, they stayed physically and mentally active, they spent time in nature, they contributed to their communities in a positive way, and most importantly, they had a reason to get out of bed every morning. Maybe the goal shouldn't be to simply add more years to your life. Maybe it's to add more life to your years. Bye, guys. Peace.